I'm eating this until I die.
Oh, come on.
I don't want to go on anymore.
Don't make me kill another cow out there. Because those cows are possessed by demons. They're haunted cows.
I have no time for haunted cows. I'm trying to kill myself here.
Well, let me at least sharpen up your steak knife with this electric sharpener. Okay, I shorted it out, but... Come on, Dave, it's not that bad. So what? You got a divorce, big deal.
Not that bad. She was the love of my life, man. Everything I did revolved around her. Listen, it's like you can hear my heart breaking. Do you hear it? It's going, uh-oh, uh-oh, uh-oh. Dave!
Hi, Mandy.
Hi, Mandy.
Dave, I came to tell you something. Oh, wait, my phone's ringing. I need a better ringtone. Hello? Hello?
Hello.
Is that him? Is that the other guy?
Dave, come on.
Is that the other guy?
I told you not to call me on my cell phone.
Damn it, I'm horny.
Booty call. I'm real busy. I'll call you back, okay?
Wait.
10 minutes. Dave, listen.
I'll be dead in 10 minutes, Mandy.
Dave, it's just that I need to borrow some money.
To borrow money?
Yeah.
Mandy.
Don't do it!
No.
Here, kill her with this steak.
Ow! Don't hit me with beef products.
Wouldn't be the first time.
All right.
You're not helping me. Sorry. I'm sorry I hit you with that. I was listening to shit from Rams over there. Look,
No, he's outside.
Mandy, look, you know I love you and I care about you, but I can't just have you coming to me to get money after what happened between us. My God, I mean, look at this. Look at this. Look at this video that you sent me. Look at what you said here. Listen.
Oh my God, you have such a small penis.
What a deep voice she has.
Do you know how badly that hurts, Mandy? That's why
You know how badly that doesn't? And you think about me once in a while.
Look, I'm sorry, Mandy. I can't give you any money, and I'm going to have to ask you to leave Sizzler.
Yeah, we're closing in 20 minutes.
All right. I don't need to stay. I'll go ahead and go. But
Fine, go.
when you're dead here on the floor of Sizzler, wishing you'd gone to the buffet first. I want you to remember one thing.
All right! You know what? I am going to hit the buffet. I'm going to get as many food items, as many noisy food items as I can.
I'd like to see
in
this.
one long fell swoop along
right.
this whole buffet. Start with mashed potatoes. 3 scoops of mashed potatoes. Give me a Slurpee from this machine. I'm going to take all